global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings Today. Some hours. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings Today. Let's tell ourselves the truth and nothing but the truth when it comes to the issue of insecurity. Honestly, all our senators, our politicians, those at the helms of our affairs need to rise up now. It looks like as the insecurity is growing, there's no longer any personality that is untouchable. With the wrong crowd and the wrong location at the wrong time, nobody is indispensable. And this is a rather unfortunate situation. In a moment, you're going to find out why I'm saying what I'm saying, why even trial judges need to still watch their backs. Well, before we go into the newspaper to find out what is going on, why you still need to be a fit person, whenever you are as a civil servant, as a public servant, we like you subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel. On YouTube, where Justice Rita has reportedly escaped from kidnappers after she was abducted and taken into the forest. The incident occurred on Sunday, February 19, while the 68-year-old judge was traveling to Warri from Benin City. Meanwhile, his lordship official cars, that's her driver, her personal property inside the car, were yet to be found. The presiding judge of the Court of Appeal, Owerri Division, Justice Rita has escaped from kidnappers after she was abducted and taken into the forest. A statement issued by the Secretary, Nigerian Bar Association, Owerri, that's Owerri branch, Chinedu Agho, on Monday said the incident occurred on Sunday while the 68-year-old judge was traveling to Warri from Benin City. The statement said the judge was kidnapped along Azia Osomogu Ihiala Road by kidnappers at about 11 a.m. in the morning. No, not night time. Before now they will say it is evening time. Now it is now morning. No. The statement said when the chairman of the bar, J.R. Ogamba, and the secretary, Chinedu Agho, paid the judge a visit at 5 p.m. today, the secretariat gathered that the kidnappers double-crossed his lordship's vehicle at a speed break, disembarking her and ordering her to lie prostrate on the ground, on the road, while pointing menacing equipment on her head. It explained that Justice Bemu, who by happenstance was rather in her highest bus instead of her SUV, and was dressed in a simple, Spartan and free-flowing gown, was mistaken by the kidnappers as one of Oga's stewards, as they kept demanding to know in which car their Oga was. The statement explained further that while she was marched into a thick forest, one of the kidnappers the secretariat gathered was boasting that he would have wasted their Oga if he were there. It said as his lordship was marched into the bush like a death-destined sheep to the slaughter, a lot of things were happening and concomitant cries of anguish pervaded the bush, which heightened her apprehension. According to the statement, as the kidnappers backed out for his lordship to continue the Golgotha walk into the depth of the bush, where perhaps she would face the doomed fate of others, she detoured and took safety elsewhere, and was hurried back to Olo town in disguise from where she found her way into Owerri. The statement added that as of the time of this report, his lordship's official cars, her driver, her personal property inside the car were yet to be found. Now it is now judiciary section now that these guys are in, and it's even in the morning. Nigerians have also decided to react to this, but I really want to appreciate the fact that she was smart enough to see an opportunity and use it. But some people don't usually come out safe. Some persons, if they fear self won't even allow their brain to work. They will just say, "Oh Lord, I'm at your mercy." Yes, we are the mercies of God, but then you still need to use your brain, and you still need to use your head and use your legs. Obviously, she's as fit as can come, because if she wasn't that fit, I don't think she would have even thought of running or deviating from where they've asked her to move. The fear self would have allowed her to move. That made her immobile. But a lot of Nigerians have started to react. A lot of people are talking. We're going to look through them. This one here is saying, so since Madam is safe, you MBA secretary decided to expose her driver to face the risks of not exposing his oga. This is so unfortunate. So saying, now, wow. This one here says, thank God for sparing the life of the judge. The police military should do more and ensure the perpetrators are brought to book. The way this thing is going of insecurity, maybe we need to Nigeria, half of Nigerian youth, half of Nigerian population need to enter security agencies. You cannot imagine how many are we in all these security agencies that will protect over 200 million Nigerians, and more bandits are entering our borders as if Nigeria is a place, it's now a national cake for everyone to come and lay claim on. Some of these bandits just say that Nigerian sovereignty, Nigerian borders are porous, their security is porous. Let's go and see how we can make so much. They just run into the country. Now imagine if half of Nigeria decide to go into civil defense, some of them are into police, some of them genuinely. We will ensure that this whole insecurity is brought to a standstill. But the question is, will the government be able to pay this youth salary? We keep shouting there are no jobs. There are no jobs. Open this thing, open recruitment for security people, open it wide open, let Nigerians apply, pay them salaries, and train them properly, and let's see how we can curb this issue of insecurity. You can't be shouting there are no jobs, and youth are languishing looking for jobs, and yet there's insecurity, and we still have inadequate personnel. Come on, let's make this thing open. But let's view what this one here is also. Let's continue what people are saying. This one here is saying, I can't say that this is story, but if what happened is what is it, then let her lead soldiers and other security agencies to that bush and forest. It's a simple matter, and that makes work easy for security agencies. While coming to the media, are you telling me that MBA lawyers and even a whole appeal court judge don't know what to do? Okay, but the truth is, even if right now that the kidnappers have known that this thing has gone viral, it's only commonsensical. They don't stay in one bush at a time. They keep moving so that they will not be caught. It's a simple security measure. So that they are also scared as well. They're also humans. They're scared. They just want to see how much they can collect and move. We've heard what is going on with the issue of Kiari and the rest. It's a sad one. This one here is saying, tell us ransom was paid for her to escape or release. Don't hide it. I don't think ransom was paid. It was boldly written there that she found her way around it and she left. Thank God for her safety. Thank God for the safety of her life. This one here says, Ihiala is becoming a killer's ground for this UGM. What a sad situation. We are in Southeast. And that Ihiala is actually in Southeast too. It's such a crazy one, I tell you. This one here says, is she not supposed to have security details? I'm honestly, when I heard that she didn't have security details, I'm surprised. As an appeal court judge, come on. That's to tell you what the common Nigerian man is facing out there. That's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's put in the comment section, please.